Measuring in at 23 inches, the box of the Traxxas Spartan is huge. Let's tear into the box and see what's inside. On the back, it comes standard with stainless steel and aluminum parts. See what's under the leg stand. You get a huge Volinion motor with a cast-hold ESC Marine, a spot to put your batteries, a cooling line, a waterproof servo, and a waterproof receiver. Everything on here is waterproof. Block of foam. This block of foam is here, so if your boat flips upside down and begins to sink, the block of foam will keep it pointing up at a 90-degree angles until you can swim out and retrieve. The TQI standard Traxxas controller. It has a steering trim and a multi-function knob. The multi-function knob is to be able to control how aggressive the TSM is. Then it has 2 buttons up top, a standard steering wheel, and you could change the trigger. Traxxas Spartan. It comes with a big bag of stuff. Now, in the big bag of stuff is marine grease, a stand, a form to fill out the insurance claim if you need one, heavy-duty tools, a spare prop and pins, things telling you about the controller and their telemetry, things telling you about Traxxas chargers and batteries, and the manual. For watching the unboxing of the Traxxas Spartan. If you would like to see our first run with it, click right here, or I'll leave a link down in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like. Let's try to hit 100 likes on this video. That would be amazing. If you are not yet subscribed to RC Studios, you should drop a like. Let's try to hit 100 likes on this video. That would be amazing. Can you also smash that red subscribe button if you have not? And while you're at it, can you click that bell? That would be great. Well, goodbye now.